Gentlemen, have you ever wondered what it looks like when a woman is head over heels, weak in the knees, attracted to you? Do you know how to spot the telltale signs that she finds you utterly irresistible, even if she's trying to play it cool? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're diving deep into the body language and behavior of women who are captivated by a man's good looks and charm. We'll be exploring all the subtle and not so subtle cues that she's digging your vibe, from the way she mirrors your movements to the adorable way she blushes when you lock eyes. By the end of this video, you'll be a master at reading the signs of attraction. You'll know exactly what to look for when a woman is drawn to you like a moth to a flame, and you'll be able to use that knowledge to your advantage in the game of love. So sit back, relax, and get ready to have your mind blown as we unlock the secrets of female attraction. Trust me, once you know these signs, you'll be spotting green lights everywhere you go. You'll never again have to wonder if a woman finds you handsome. You'll know beyond a shadow of a doubt. Let's dive in and discover the clear signs that you're the most attractive man in the room. Get ready to have your ego stroked and your confidence boosted. You're about to learn just how irresistible you truly are. 1. She shows off her best assets. Picture this. You're chatting with a gorgeous girl when suddenly she starts subtly accentuating her most alluring features. She leans forward, giving you a tantalizing glimpse of cleavage, or crosses her legs, drawing your attention to her toned thighs. This, my friend, is no accident. When a woman thinks you're a total knockout, she'll instinctively showcase her own assets in the hopes of captivating you. It's like a seductive dance, a silent way of saying, "I've got the goods and I want you to notice." She's trying to level the playing field, to match your attractiveness with her own irresistible charms. By strategically highlighting her best physical attributes, she's communicating that she views you as a worthy prospect. She wouldn't bother putting on this tantalizing display for just anyone. It's a sign that she considers you a rare catch, someone deserving of her most alluring moves. So if you find yourself on the receiving end of these not-so-subtle physical cues, take it as a clear indication that she's digging your look in a major way. She's pulling out all the stops to grab your attention and keep it firmly locked on her. Sit back, enjoy the show, and let her efforts fuel your own confidence. 2. She asks for your opinion on her appearance. You're hanging out when suddenly she hits you with a question that seems designed to make you sweat. "Hey, what do you think of this outfit? Does it look okay on me?" She's not just fishing for compliments, she's gauging your attraction to her. When a woman asks for your opinion on her appearance, it's a surefire sign that she values your taste and wants to impress you. She's seeking your validation, hoping that you'll shower her with praise and make her feel like the most beautiful girl in the room. It's a way of saying, "I care what you think because I'm into you." By soliciting your feedback, she's also subtly hinting that she's open to your advances. She's making it clear that your opinion matters to her, that she's willing to go the extra mile to catch your eye. It's a green light to start laying on the charm and letting her know just how stunning you find her. So if you find yourself playing the role of fashion critic, take it as a promising sign. She's not just looking for style tips. She's looking for a reason to keep the conversation going and bask in your admiring gaze. Give her the glowing reviews she's craving and watch as her attraction to you grows stronger with every compliment. 3. She touches your arm during conversation. You're deep in conversation when suddenly you feel the gentle graze of her fingertips on your arm. It's a fleeting touch, barely there and gone again, but it sends a jolt of electricity through your body. This, my friend, is no casual gesture. When a woman initiates physical contact during a conversation, it's a telltale sign that she's comfortable with you and craving a deeper connection. She's breaking the touch barrier, crossing that invisible line that separates platonic chit-chat from flirtatious interplay. It's her way of saying, "I'm drawn to you and I want to be closer." These seemingly innocent touches serve as a subtle test, a way for her to gauge your reaction and see if you'll reciprocate. She's hoping that you'll welcome her affectionate gestures and maybe even return the favor with a playful touch of your own. It's a dance of push and pull, a silent negotiation of mutual attraction. So if you find yourself on the receiving end of these delicate caresses, take it as a clear sign that she's into you. Don't be afraid to lean into her touch, to let your own hand linger on her arm as you laugh together. These small moments of physical connection can be the spark that ignites a raging inferno of chemistry between you. 4. She finds reasons to be near you. You're at a party, mingling with the crowd, when you notice that a certain someone always seems to be hovering nearby. No matter where you go, she's never more than a few feet away, always finding an excuse to be in your orbit. This is no coincidence, my friend. When a woman constantly seeks out your company, it's a dead giveaway that she's drawn to you like a moth to a flame. She's magnetically pulled to your presence, craving the thrill of being close to you. It's like your very aura is irresistible to her, and she can't help but gravitate towards you. By constantly positioning herself in your vicinity, she's creating opportunities for interaction, hoping that you'll take notice and engage her in conversation. She wants to bask in your attention, to feel the full force of your charm directed solely at her. It's a silent invitation to approach, to sweep her off her feet with your wit and charisma. So if you find that a certain beauty is always mysteriously nearby, take it as a blinking neon sign that she's into you. Seize the opportunity to chat her up, to make her feel like the center of your universe for a little while. Her persistent presence is all the green light you need to make a move and see where this attraction leads. 5. She gives you flirtatious compliments. You're chatting away when suddenly she hits you with a compliment that feels loaded with subtext. You have such a great sense of humor. I love how you always make me laugh. Or maybe it's something more overt, like, has anyone ever told you how incredibly handsome you are? These flattering remarks are more than just idle chit-chat. They're a clear indication of her interest. When a woman showers you with compliments that feel decidedly flirtatious, it's her way of signaling that she sees you as more than just a friend. She's not just objectively observing your positive qualities. She's expressing her own attraction to them. By verbally affirming the things she finds most appealing about you, she's hoping to ignite a spark of mutual chemistry. These compliments also serve as a subtle invitation for you to return the favor. She's fishing for reciprocal flattery, hoping that you'll respond with an equally effusive assessment of her own charms. It's a flirtatious back and forth, a verbal dance of seduction that's designed to bring you closer together. So if you find yourself on the receiving end of these sugary sweet accolades, don't be dense. Recognize them for the green lights they are. She's not just being nice. She's trying to catch your eye and make you see her in a whole new, utterly beguiling light. Respond with your own playful compliments and watch the sparks start flying. 6. She fixes her appearance when she sees you. Picture this. You're walking into a room, and as soon as she spots you, she springs into action. She quickly runs a hand through her hair, smoothing any errant strands. She straightens her posture, adjusts her clothing, maybe even swipes on a fresh coat of lip gloss. These subtle primping gestures are no accident, my friend. When a woman suddenly becomes hyper-aware of her appearance in your presence, it's a telltale sign that she wants to look her absolute best for you. She's trying to present herself in the most attractive light possible, hoping to catch your eye and make a lasting impression. It's like your mere presence flips a switch in her brain, activating impressing my crush mode. By putting extra effort into her appearance when you're around, she's signaling that your opinion matters to her. She wants you to find her irresistible, to be dazzled by her beauty and charm. It's a nonverbal way of saying, I care what you think of me because I'm into you. So if you notice that she's always sneaking in a quick glance at her reflection when you're nearby, or constantly fidgeting with her hair and clothes, take it as a promising sign. She's not just being vain. She's trying to ensure that every inch of her is perfectly polished and ready to captivate you. Let her efforts boost your confidence and serve as a green light to start turning on the charm. 7. She mirrors your body language. You're deep in conversation, leaning forward with your elbows on the table. Suddenly, you notice that she's adopted the exact same pose, almost like a reflection in a mirror. Her head tilts when yours does. She laughs when you laugh. It's like you're in perfect sync. This, my friend, is the power of subconscious attraction at work. When a woman is drawn to you, she'll often subconsciously mirror your body language as a way of building rapport and demonstrating her interest. It's a primal instinct, a silent way of saying, I'm on the same wavelength as you, we have a connection. By aligning her physical cues with yours, she's creating a sense of unity and understanding between you. This mirroring is also a way for her to showcase her own attractiveness. By adopting your confident posture and engaging mannerisms, she's presenting herself as your ideal match, someone who can keep up with your energy and vibe. It's like a seductive dance, a choreography of compatibility. So if you find that your every move is being echoed back to you across the table, take it as a clear sign that she's into you. She's not just being a copycat, she's subconsciously trying to forge a bond and show you how well you fit together. Embrace the synchronicity and let it guide your interaction to even greater heights of chemistry. 8. She licks her lips while looking at you. You're chatting away when suddenly your eye is drawn to her mouth. She's slowly, sensuously running her tongue along her lips, almost like she's savoring the taste of your words. It's a mesmerizing sight, one that sends a shiver down your spine. This, my friend, is no innocent gesture. When a woman licks her lips while locking eyes with you, it's a potent signal of attraction. She's drawing your attention to her mouth, inviting you to imagine how soft and supple her lips would feel against yours. It's a nonverbal way of saying, "I want you to kiss me," a tantalizing preview of the passion she's barely keeping contained. Lip licking is also a subconscious sign of desire. When we're attracted to someone, our mouth starts to water in anticipation, and our lips can become dry as a result. By moistening her lips with her tongue, she's not just being seductive, she's physically responding to the chemistry between you. So if you find yourself transfixed by the sight of her tongue darting out to caress her lips, take it as a blinking green light. She's not just keeping her pout perfectly glossed, she's signaling her longing for a taste of you. Hold her gaze, let the tension build, and get ready to lean in for a kiss that's sure to set off fireworks. 9. She laughs at all your jokes, even the bad ones. You're cracking jokes, and let's be real, some of them are pretty terrible. But to your amazement, she's laughing like you're the funniest guy on the planet. Even your most groan-worthy puns are met with genuine giggles and playful eye rolls. This, my friend, is a surefire sign that she's into you. When a woman is attracted to you, she'll often go out of her way to make you feel good about yourself. Laughing at your jokes, even the ones that fall flat, is a way of showing that she appreciates your sense of humor and wants to build a positive rapport. It's like she's saying, "I get you, and I like what I see." By being an enthusiastic audience for your witty quips, she's also signaling that she enjoys your company and wants to keep the conversation flowing. Laughter is a bonding experience, a way of creating a shared moment of joy and connection. She's using it as a tool to draw you closer, to make you feel like you're on the same team. So if you find that she's constantly cracking up at your comedic stylings, no matter how cringeworthy they may be, take it as a promising sign. She's not just stroking your ego. She's showing you that she's receptive to your charms and eager to build a playful, flirtatious dynamic. Keep the laughs coming and watch as her attraction grows stronger with every chuckle. 10. Her body language opens up to you. Picture this. You're chatting with a group of people, but you can't help but notice that one special lady is giving you some serious attention. While everyone else is closed off and guarded, she's angling her body towards you, feet pointing in your direction, arms uncrossed and relaxed. This, my friend, is the language of attraction in action. When a woman is into you, her body will often betray her true feelings. By opening up her posture and orienting herself towards you, she's subconsciously signaling that she's receptive to your presence and eager to engage. It's like a silent invitation, a way of saying, "I'm here, I'm available, come talk to me." This open body language is also a way of demonstrating trust and comfort. By letting her guard down and exposing her vulnerable areas, think torso, wrists, neck, she's showing you that she feels safe and at ease in your company. It's a nonverbal way of expressing that she sees you as a potential partner, someone she can let her walls down around. So if you find that her body is always angled towards you, even in a crowded room, take it as a clear sign that she's singling you out for attention. She's not just being polite. She's using her physical cues to draw you in and create a bubble of intimacy amidst the chaos. Take the hint and reciprocate with your own open, inviting body language. 11. She smiles at you from across the room. You're at a party, mingling with the crowd, when suddenly you feel a prickle on the back of your neck. You glance up and lock eyes with a stunning woman across the room. She's not just looking at you, she's beaming. Her smile so warm and radiant it could melt an iceberg. This, my friend, is no ordinary grin. When a woman singles you out for a smile from a distance, it's a powerful signal of attraction. She's not just being friendly, she's deliberately trying to catch your eye and make a connection. It's like a secret message, a way of saying, "Out of everyone here, you're the one I want to talk to." A smile is also a way of demonstrating approachability and warmth. By flashing you her pearly whites, she's showing you that she's open to interaction and eager to break the ice. It's an invitation to come over and chat, to see if the chemistry that's sparking across the room can ignite into something more. So if you find yourself on the receiving end of a dazzling smile from afar, don't be dense. Take it as a blinking neon sign that she's into you. Weave your way through the crowd, hold her gaze, and return that smile with all the charm and confidence you can muster. A simple grin could be the start of a beautiful conversation, or even a love story for the ages. 12. She plays with her hair while talking to you. You're deep in conversation when you notice her hand drift up to her hair. She twirls a strand around her finger, lets it bounce back into place, then does it again. It's a mesmerizing little dance, one that draws your eye and makes it hard to concentrate on anything else. This, my friend, is a classic sign of flirtation. When a woman plays with her hair while talking to you, it's often a subconscious signal of attraction. She's drawing attention to her femininity, showcasing her luscious locks in a way that's designed to entice and allure. It's like a peacock fanning its feathers, a subtle way of saying, "Look at me. Aren't I irresistible?" Fiddling with her hair is also a self-soothing gesture, a way of calming her nerves and releasing pent-up energy. If she's twirling her tresses more than usual, it could be a sign that she's feeling a bit flustered or anxious in your presence. In a good way. Your mere proximity is giving her butterflies, and playing with her hair is a way of coping with that excited jitters. So if you find that her fingers are constantly straying to her strands, take it as a promising sign. She's not just primping for the sake of vanity. She's subconsciously trying to draw your attention and make herself feel more at ease in your magnetic presence. Keep the conversation flowing and let her know that you find her little hair-twirling habit absolutely charming. 13. She blushes when you make eye contact. Picture this. You're chatting away, cracking jokes and swapping stories, when suddenly your eyes meet and hold. You feel a crackle of electricity pass between you, a moment of pure connection. And then you notice a rosy flush creeping up her cheeks. She's blushing, the color rising in her face like a beautiful sunrise. This, my friend, is the ultimate sign of attraction. When a woman blushes in your presence, it's a physiological response that she can't control. Her body is reacting to the thrill of your attention, the rush of feel-good hormones that comes with locking eyes with someone she's deeply attracted to. It's like a neon sign flashing, "I'm into you," for all the world to see. Blushing is also a sign of vulnerability, a way of showing you that she's letting her guard down and allowing herself to be emotionally exposed in your presence. It's a non-verbal way of saying, "You have an effect on me, and I'm not afraid to show it." That kind of openness and authenticity is incredibly attractive, and it's a sure sign that she's feeling a real connection with you. So if you find that her cheeks are consistently flushed when you're around, take it as the highest compliment. She's not just reacting to the heat of the room, she's radiating with the warmth of her feelings for you. Hold her gaze, smile that devastating smile, and let the blush-inducing chemistry carry you away to a place of pure, unadulterated attraction. And there you have it, gents. The top 13 signs that women find you absolutely irresistible. So keep an eye out for these telltale cues, and when you spot them, don't hesitate to make your move. With these signs lighting your way, you're sure to navigate the mysteries of attraction with ease and confidence. Go forth and charm the ladies, my friend. They're already falling for you, one hair twirl at a time.